Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is chapter number 5. So which chapter we are going to learn, that I'll tell you just now, that is the food we eat. Okay, so in our daily life, in morning, in afternoon, in night, in evening, we eat variety of food. So where there are various kinds of food, there is various kind of variety in our daily meals like breakfast, afternoon and evening snacks time, and also in the night, that is dinner time. But which all foods are nutritious, which all foods are good for us, what are the good habits, what are the kinds, what are the varieties, that we are going to learn today in this chapter. So you can see a nice plate of paneer, roti, dal and chawal over here. It looks so yummy, right? So good it is looking, like paneer ki sabji, roti and dal chawal, that is the best which we like, right? Okay, but what we are going to learn in this chapter, that I'll tell you, that the kinds of food. What are the different kinds of food? There are different kinds of food. Yes, even the food has different variety, different kinds. Next, we are going to learn about meals of the food. So how many meals are there? How many meals are do we take in the in a whole day? Next, good eating habits. What all good eating habits we should have, that we are going to learn today. So these 3 points, that is kinds of food, meals of the day and good eating habits, are being done today. So first let's get started with kinds of food. So kind of food means variety of food which we eat in our day-to-day life. Like we eat dal, chawal, South Indian food, sometimes we eat sometimes North Indian food. There are various variety of food. Like we don't eat a single type of food every day. Even if your mother makes chapati and sabji, so does she make same vegetable on every day? No, there is a variety in vegetable also, right? Sometimes she make bhindi ki sabji, sometimes she make palak ki sabji. So there is a different variety of food. So why the food is needed? So we need food to live. If we don't eat anything, will you be able to stay proper? Will you get some kind of energy? Will you be able to do some work? No. So if we want to be structural in functional way, अगर आप कुछ ना कुछ काम करना चाहते हो, like every day, if you want to be an energetic person, then you need the food. The main thing is food. You have to take it. Why? Because food gives you energy. The energy, the focus, the things, like strength in your body is being coming from the food which you eat. So there are many kinds of food like fruits, vegetables, grains, eggs, milk products, meat and fish. So there is variety here also. We have different kinds of fruits, we have different kinds of vegetables, we have different kind of grains, eggs are also there, milk is there, milk product, we have paneer, we have dahi, we have lassi, every kind of thing, meat we have, fish we have. Yes, and why this variety? We need to eat a variety of food to get all kinds of nutrients. We cannot eat same thing every day. So for getting our body full of energy, we need different kinds of food. We need different kind of variety. We need different kind of nutrition. So if we'll have nutrition in our body, if we'll have energy in the body, then only we'll able to do some kind of work. And from where do we get this food from? We get this food from plants and animals. How come plants? From plants we get like your vegetables, like your grains, like your fruits. This we get from plants. And from what animals? Like your meat, fish, milk products, eggs are coming from animals, right? So the next is fruit and vegetables help in preventing many diseases. If you eat proper food, proper nutrition is being taken by you, you will prevent yourself from many kind of diseases. Therefore, every time your mama, papa, your grandparents, your teachers say that eat your food properly, complete your food, finish your tiffins, finish your plate. Why? Because they want you to take your food, take your intake things properly and in a proper manner with all nutritions. Grains gives us energy. We need energy to learn, play and live. So you don't, if you don't like chapati, if you only like pav bhaji, then only will you be only eating pav? So daily eating pav bhaji, isn't that bored? So like if we'll eat wheat, if we'll eat rice, if we'll eat bajra, so we can make different kinds of variety of recipes also from that, and that can give you a great taste. So therefore grains gives us energy. So therefore grains are needed in our daily life. We need energy for making for making our body strengthen. And also you are a kid, you will play, you will learn, you will live. So therefore for the strength, for the energy, you need these grains. Next is milk and milk products. Keep our teeth and bones healthy. So what your bones are there, they are healthy because of your milk and milk products. So do not say no to the milk whenever your mummy giving you a glass of milk to drink. So every day from today you are going to drink a glass of milk every day. Egg, meat and fish are important for muscle growth. So these are very, very, very important for the muscle growth. So we need a variety, a kind of food. Now next is the meals of the day. So how many times do we have to eat? So we have 3 meals a day. One is breakfast, second is lunch, and third is dinner. So breakfast is the meal which we eat early in the morning, lunch is the meal which we eat in the afternoon, and dinner is the meal which we eat in the evening. So every kind of meal is important for your daily routine. So therefore these 3 meals are very, very important for your daily routine. Now we'll be going to learn about good eating habits. So food is only not the good thing. You must know some good habits also of eating. So whenever you're going to eat something, some other thing like chocolate also, if you're eating, you must wash your hands. You always have to eat fresh food. Always take only as much as you can which you can finish, or only take that much which you can eat in your plate. Don't get fully loaded things in your plate, and if you will not be able to, your tummy will be full, then you will say no, I don't want it, and everything will be thrown in the dustbin. So will it be good? No. So do not take that much which you will not be able to finish. Take whatever you like, and that much only if you take, do finish it possibly. Next, eat food silently. Yes, there are so many children I've seen, they are making num 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 voices. So do not do that, seriously, because making noise while chewing your food, while swallowing your food, while eating your food is not at all a good manner. So do not make sounds while eating your food. So eat your food silently, and also be calm when you are eating your food. Do not swallow everything at one time. Also chew your food well. Always you have to chew your food very well, because the chewed food also have to go to your body, and then only it will be digested. Otherwise you can have the body problems. Do not spill food on the table or on the clothes. So whenever you are eating your food, you should not spill it on your table or on your clothes. So always wash your hands, drink water, chew your foods. There should be eating healthy habits for which can have a healthy results. Eat lots of green vegetables and fruits. Why? Because it makes you healthy and it makes you fully energy. So, and last, and the next one is drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Therefore, with the food, even water is also very much important for your body, for your food to be broken down into the proper consumption of food should be taken. Therefore, water is also needed. Afterwards, do not eat food from sweet vendors. So you do not have to eat the food which the vendors take out, and they have a toli kind of thing, and there they are selling some kind of chunky food. It looks nice, but it is not good for your health. Therefore, this this was the chapter for the food we eat, for the variety, for the habits and of the meal. So I hope you must have understood all the points in this chapter, and I hope you can now follow all these things. From today you are going to follow all these things, and also will listen to your mom, dad and also your teachers according to your habits, according to your meals, according to your food. So do not waste food. That's the main motto. Okay, so I hope you must have understood right now. So let's finish this chapter over here, and we'll move to the next now.